BDO Life yung sa amin, 40K yung loss. Sabi ni Chris Fel Rivas Larino. Alam mo, ang advice ko, do not look at your VUL as an investment. Kung doon ka nakatingin sa account value niya, lalo na sa first few years, may loss talaga yan kasi may cost of insurance, may mga premium charges. Hindi 100% ng hinulog mo mapupunta sa investment na tinatawag or dun sa fund value, sa account value. So definitely, may loss talaga, no? Pero kung insurance ang tingin mo, which is rightfully so, it should be that way. Kung coverage yan for life insurance in case of death, kung coverage yan, kung meron niyang rider na critical illness in case of a diagnosis of a covered critical illness, kung coverage yan for accident in case ma-aksidente, additional insurance, or if meron kang medical reimbursement due to accident, may makukuha kang pang-reimburse dun sa cost of accident mo. Kung meron yang rider na daily hospital income in case of confinement, insurance yun. Walang loss dun. 'Di ba? Yung pera sa VUL, it's not actually an investment para kumita. It is invested para kung 10 years to pay lang yung VUL mo, hopefully you don't need to pay again. Hindi guaranteed yung paying period ng mga VUL. But that money in the investment, if it performs well, kung kikita, ang purpose niya is lumaki at pangbayad ng future cost of insurance para kahit limited years ka nagbayad, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years, or pay up to age 65, masusustain niya yung life insurance coverage mo up to age 100. So yun po ang purpose ng account value ng VUL. Now, when you decide, in case you decide to stop, ayaw mo na ng insured ka, then may mawi-withdraw ka, yung account value. But do not think of it as an investment. Parang sukli lang siya. Savings, or parang sukli lang siya. But there's always cost sa insurance. May cost ang mga bagay-bagay. Ang sinasample nga namin dyan, parang, let's say you're a company, you're a business, and then nag-hire ka ng security guard. 'Di ba? Kung wala bang nagnakaw or wala bang nang gulo at 'di ba hindi naggamit yung services ng security guard, nalugi ka na. Is it a loss? No, it's not a loss. It's part of your expenses, it's part of your operations. It's essential to your life. Ganon din yung life insurance.